Hey Banks gang, it's Anylah here, and in today's video we about to get into the Aphogee two-step treatment on my type of hair, because I want to know, do it work? Do it work for the bitches who got bleach hair, like different shades of blonde hair? You know what I mean? And that's me. So I'm about to test it out on my shit. First things first, remove all the jewelry. Then I'm gonna go in and show y'all my hair. She needs some help, okay? Shit. So I'm gonna wash my hair with my favorite shampoo, which is the Aussie Moist. Highly recommend it. It's my holy grail. Been using it for over 10 years. Then I'm gonna make this raggedy ass part down the middle of my head like Moses did to see, and I'm gonna comb that shit out until I got the lower fur quad. Y'all know from the Shrek. So once I got that, I'm gonna go ahead and start with step one. I put it on my hair. It was super duper liquidy and it was like brownish. I don't know. But let me tell you, that shit smelled like eggs and wet ass. Yes, it did. And it pissed me off because in the directions it say that you're not supposed to wash your hair after this. And I wanted to wash my hair because who the fuck want to walk around with their head smelling like eggs and wet ass? Not me, probably not you, probably not your mama. So it stank so fucking bad, y'all. I had to like open the door to my bathroom and walk the fuck out, okay? So after I done opened up the door and walked the fuck out because I could no longer record, honey, this is what she looking like when she drenched in wet. And y'all can see the curl trying to come back. But y'all, the shit was so sticky and stanky. So I went in with the blow dryer and blow dried the fucking head of mine. And it took like 25-30 minutes for this shit to fucking fully dry. And it was irritating, bitch. I had to get on the TikTok and go, it was too much. But y'all see the curl pattern trying to come back. She got some damage, but I want to test this out. Like, I don't know how often you're supposed to do this. Maybe like once every 2-3 months. Damn, the back of my neck ashy than the motherfucker. Mind your business though. I'm just trying to show y'all my head. Shit, is it working? It look like it. What it look like to y'all? Because to me it look like it's doing a little shum. So once your hair is dry, it should be real crunchy, like crunchy, like old bread crunchy. And I'm just showing y'all my curl pattern. It look like it's doing something, but this is what my curl pattern naturally looks like. Okay, this is with no bleach, none of that shit. And y'all see that shit starting to come back. Okay, she giving excite because I really am, and I really was. So I washed that shit out, and then now it's time to go in with step 2, which is this conditioner, moisturizer. So I really like the moisturizer. I feel like it could smell better. The whole system should fucking smell better, but shit, I guess it's getting the job done. But the moisturizer was super duper thick. It wasn't runny. It did its job, honey. It was soothing to the scalp, and it gave everything that my hair needed. Shit, it sure did. I used the whole pack. Now, if you got a whole bunch of fucking hair, bitch, you better go in with you better buy 2 to 3 packs of this shit, because otherwise you ain't gonna have enough for your hair. And I just put my shit up in a little bitty ball like that, and this is how much hair I lost. Now that this is making it do what it do, okay. Somehow, you know, when you ain't got sideburns, you gotta create them. Ooh, yeah. Listen, if you got bleached hair, processed hair, you rocking like this type of situation here, I think you should try this shit. I think you should, because my hair feels so soft, and my curl, y'all see, look. Y'all see that? Bitch, hold up. I know you see that. Okay. I'll come back after I wash it out and tell y'all my thoughts on that shit. Honestly, y'all, I fucking love this system. I cannot wait to do it again. I don't know when I'm supposed to do it. So if you got some suggestions, please drop it down there in the comment section, because I feel like it's working for my fucking head. And if you got hair similar to mine, honey, it may work for you. This is what my hair looked like when it was completely dry and it was time for me to style that shit. So yeah, what y'all think about today's video? Have you ever tried this? If you have, leave it down there below, and me love y'all. If you enjoyed enjoyed today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't mind my wall here. Share this video with your family and friends. Comment down below what you use, if you use this product before, how to make it work better. Maybe you did something different than I did, or maybe I missed some. I don't know, but let me know. Make sure you subscribe. I don't know if I said that. So you better fucking subscribe. If you don't, we gonna have some problems, and I don't wanna have no problems with you. So yeah, until next time, Banks gang, me love you. Bye.